अभी हो गया बहुत, I'm tired.
Possible. We'll have to ask them. What did you exactly do?
वो teacher is saying bus है, bus जाएगा. That is the last bus. And she's like, no, I have to sit down.
Didn't that happen even on that Matheran trip, right? When we kind of trekked all the way up. I think it was what, 6-7 kilometers.
I know वो धक्का दे देते हैं.
I don't remember who it was. There was somebody who was like, you know what, I'm done. I'm just sitting down right here.
Very easily. Okay, I can imagine her saying that.
No, Worms. I don't know if you remember. At least 3-4 of us were there with Worms. Worms तो वहाँ पे बैठ गया रास्ते में. ऊपर जाते वक्त not नीचे आते वक्त तो तू धरना दे रहा था. ऊपर जाते वक्त on a rock you just stood like this. And you said because you can't climb up, and you said that boss, मैं यहाँ से हिल नहीं रहा हूँ अभी.
I think it was Worms. Now that you mention it, I kind of remember.
Worms is not remembering, but Worms, I remember it was you. You just stood on the rock or lay on the rock like this, and you said, "मैं नहीं हिल रहा हूँ अभी. I can't go."
Don't remember at all.
On the way back, you remember that you sat on the road doing some yoga.
Yeah.
See, that is
Yeah, kuch to.
Bit of meditation started.
I've let go of my past.
I was sharing Rahul that when he came to our home about a year back, he made all of us do meditation for about half an hour. Worms, whatever course that he does, okay? I thought went off to sleep. I said nothing better than this.
वर्म्स का ना मुझे वो याद है जब हम वो इसके देवेश के घर में शीट्स के लिए बैठते थे ना. एक बार शीट्स खत्म हो गए थे तो हम वो तिलक रोड पे कोई शॉप था जहाँ पर जाते थे. We went there and then कुछ तो उसने desperation that's no, it was at 12 o'clock something we went to that shop.
Yeah.
Wow.
Was it open that late?
But नहीं उसने खुलवा के दे दिया उसने. उधर ही रहता था.
Sheets लेकर वापस आए. I remember, Worms, you don't remember, Niche, you were shouting, desperation.
See, all these girls were more sincere.
No, we had like, see, his sister was already there, right, and had gone through it. So pura GT setup was like properly set up in our house, you know, where every once in a while, I remember having drawn like some vectors, like just like triangle, kuch connection nahi tha with each other, and the professor's like, what have you drawn over here? I think it's a triangle, arrows connected to each other.
I remember someone saying, अरे पीछे का delete erase तो करना था.
रब तो करो.
लेकिन Worms कैसे draw करते थे मालूम है?
Worms
line without a ruler. He will take his figure, whatever, and he used to just draw like this. बराबर है.
Worms best ऐसे बोलता था. ये इतना होगा शायद. And then he used to draw.
वो power nap लेता था. Worms बीच में. एकदम suddenly फिर करता था वो. 10 minute का nap लेने के बाद.
You know, that is something that
he calls it meditation now.
That is something which has, you know, kind of stuck with me all these years. The power nap is something which has been my savior all these years, you know. In flights, trains, whatever be the noise. So it's very common, you know. I remember it's very common. I get into a flight and I don't know when it takes off, and when it lands, I see, you know, the air hostess and others, you know, looking a little angry.
So what kind of meditation do you do, Deepak?
Heartfulness. So heartfulness is relaxation, meditation, rejuvenation, and connecting with it. So I'm a certified trainer in heartfulness. So I conduct these programs at various places.
ये सब है ना वो ज्ञान बाकी लोगों को दे सकता है. हमको इतना पता है. He comes to the home. He will say, close your eyes, take deep breath, feel your toes, feel your fingers, and go off to sleep. Then after 10 minutes, he will say, oh, wake up.
Rajiv, he didn't charge you any money, man.
Oh, yes, he didn't charge. Thankfully, he didn't charge.
He just took your wallet when you slept.
That's interesting. Where is the rest of the crowd? As in, Vani, you're in what? California somewhere, right?
Yeah, I'm in Sunnyvale.
Sunnyvale. Okay. What about the rest?
Vidya is-
Rajiv, you said Delhi.
Yeah, I'm in Delhi or Gurgaon. Vidya is in Chennai. Theta is of course in Pune.
Theta, Samir, myself. Samir
No,
Pokanam is Cham.
Nitin is not in Pune. Nitin is in Magarpatta. Let's be clear.
Yeah.
Magarpatta is like a town by itself, man.
Yeah, that's right. So Nitin, तेरा अभी भी वो चलता है बैडमिंटन?
अरे अच्छा, तो मैं बता देता हूँ. लास्ट ईयर मैंने मगरपट्टा में बैडमिंटन में मुझे सेकंड प्राइज मिला. ओके.
वाह, क्या बात है.
सही है. So even Neha also plays?
नेहा को भी तो मिला था.
Yeah, नेहा को भी मिला था. Yeah, she also plays.
Oh, she also got the prize.
Yeah.
Is this the same house that he had come long
Our couple.
94? Not the same house, right?
नहीं. That वहाँ पर नहीं हुआ. अभी later on I moved to मगरपट्टा सिटी टाउनशिप है. पास ही है, उसके पास ही है.
But उसके बाद वो shift नहीं हुआ, वहीं पे है उसके बाद. So he has always been there now. Maybe as he said, more than half the whatever time that he has been. But I like the way. So Nitin is like all N family. Neha, Nitin, Nimisha, and Nilay. And then similarly, I think Sachin is also S family, right?
I think Samir का भी शायद.
नहीं, Sachin, Seth का. Seth's wife and both the daughters. I forgot, of course, when I was there in Australia that time we spoke and so on and so forth. But both his daughters also have names starting with S.
So where is he? He's not back in India?
Who, Seth?
नहीं
Yeah.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
Seth is from Melbourne में है वो. क्या होगा बेचारा अभी? I don't know. Let's not disturb him.
Actually, I don't know what the time is there.
So Worms, you haven't been in Pune in a long time, right? I mean, in the sense you haven't lived in Pune, right?
No, I never lived, but I kept visiting it in between for work. So, but that time I didn't have. I once tried to meet Nitin and Chamya and Nande. It never happened. But Rita I have met. I regularly used to meet. I don't know if you remember this guy called Jayesh Kulkarni.
Yeah.
Jayesh Kulkarni.
I don't remember actually.
So he's a person actually I've regularly met in the last 10 years in Pune. And we actually he used to come early morning to my hotel, 5 o'clock, and take me to a trek.
Oh.
Wow.
So I'll normally book my last day flight at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So he'll morning, and so I visited all those hills because he had this. Only both of us will go, me and Jayesh, Rajgarh, Raigad, all these places, Pratapgarh, Torna.
So your parents moved from Mira Society, I think, long time back.
They moved to Kerala in 1995 itself. The moment
You
I
finished
got-
college.
Graduation.
Yeah. Right.
So
Where is Vittal?
Because your brother was in China or he is in China?
my brother is still in China, in Beijing.
And he was
No, I
saying,
was asking where is Vittal? I have not seen him or seen anything photo, no connection at all.
I met him last when he came to New Jersey. He's been in New Jersey for a while. I've lost touch since.
But
He's in New Jersey.
No.
Oh,
I don't know if he went back. I think at some point he had gone back also. I don't know if he came back. I'm not sure. I lost touch. I'd met him when he had just about moved here. At that time he had come over and he was looking for an apartment. So I drove him around. He didn't have a car at that time. He had just So after that, I haven't really,
What's he doing, Vittal?
He's a software engineer, right? So,
He's with PTC only, right?
Yeah, he was in PTC I think a decade back, 10 years back. But now he's in US. I think he had visited Pune a few months back, but no, it was just like a visit. He has gone back to US.
let's come back. Okay.
Checking if he's there on Facebook.
He had a younger sister, Vittal. I remember having spoken to him maybe 15, 16, I don't know when. That time he said that his sister had also moved into US. And he said that his parents are spending half the time in US, half the time in India. But this is...
I think his brother was also in the
Yeah, he has a brother.
He has a brother also, that's right.
Yeah.
His brother moved quite early, I think.
I think he moved early. Yeah.
Yeah, I think his brother moved even before him, if I'm not
Yeah.
wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he moved in, and then his sister moved in maybe 5-6 years later or something.
Right. Right.
So that's what I last remember of him. Didi, of course, I've not spoken to him since a long, long time.
Didi, I spoke. I mean, I think Worms has probably spoken to him, but I was in touch with him regularly a long time ago when he was still with what's the pumps company? Cummins. Was he with Cummins or one of the competitors?
पहले थर्मैक्स में था वो.
नहीं, वो तो बहुत पहले हुआ. यहाँ पे US में.
He was in Detroit.
Detroit में. He worked for a company, and after that.
That was a fuel injection pump company. I'm not remembering the name.
I'm actually in touch with him quite regularly, and he's currently in Alabama. He moved last year from Cincinnati to Alabama. So he was in the Children's Hospital Cincinnati as a software quality specialist. He moves to Alabama. So he's married, to Sherry, and they have 2 kids. One of them is Roshan and Rohan, I think, and excellent. He's gelled in totally there. He's still
actually the time I was like interacting with him at that time, I think he was one of his kids was having some trouble.
Yeah, see, when he came to, he met me 2-3 years ago. He stayed with me in Kerala. So it's a very minor thing. I think he keeps taking some, small pill or something. It's kind of almost vanished.
May have gotten rectified, right? So I think at that time he was very concerned because there was some surgery.
10 years back, I think about 10-12 years back, maybe. Right? It was about 10 years back or something.
Yeah.
2010, I think that he really went through a real tough time that time.
Yeah.
But yeah, Vittal, you're right. I think Vittal, we just lost connect. We have not been able to, at least Vidya, I don't know, where did Vidya go? She was here on the call.
Vidya dropped.
I can't see her. Yeah, but Vidya, at least we got connected back. Yeah. But with Vani, with Vittal, no idea. No clue.
और चमिया क्या हाल चाल? How are things?
चमिया bachelor है अभी. हाँ चमिया bachelorhood.
Yeah. Wife kids are in Ahmednagar, so.
तो kids के स्कूल स्टार्ट हुए ऑनलाइन वगैरह?
हाँ.
Kids के ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट हुए नहीं हुए?
अभी कल से कुछ तो स्टडी मटेरियल आने वाला है. But luckily they are not starting online like 6 hours and 7 hours. Not yet. Hopefully not for a while. So अभी तो enjoy कर रहे हो लोग.
My daughter went through at least 3 months of online kindergarten, right?
Oh, kindergarten. Okay.
How does that work?
Just finished a kindergarten. Now it's holidays have started.
Yeah.
It was funny to see kids getting used to that medium, right?
Yeah. It just sounds very painful to sit in front of that for like 5-6 hours in a day.
No, that's not how they did it. Actually, at least for the young kids, they just got together every morning for half an hour, 45 minutes.
Oh, okay.
And then they gave some exercises that they upload online. You finish those. And then again, after a couple of hours, they have one more half an hour session on something. It could be reading or some such thing. And, or even PE and exercises, etc. all online for half an hour. So 9 o'clock, 8:30 in the morning, then 11 o'clock, then something at, sometimes 1 o'clock for half an hour. And that's about it. And other than that, they uploaded exercises that you do by yourself in your time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, online, like we have also been like doing 3 months of like online. The way, they just have something assigned, and older kids, it's basically self-study now. The topic is given and you study yourself, turn it in, and whatever we learned in college to study on our own. Over here, kids are learning in high school only now to study on their own. Because I think we are going to start online also. Like next session is not going to start in person.
So colleges at least I think not all have decided. So I hear a
Not
lot
all have decided, but there is quite a few who are saying that they will give the
Most
option of
likely.
not coming in. Or, you know, there are some colleges which are saying they'll put you up. If you don't want to stay in the dorm, then, you know, they're going to arrange for hotel options, but you have to then use public transport to
Right.
come.
But what I hear is even if they're going fully online,
Yeah.
they're still charging you the full amount, including everything, right?
Yeah. They think the professor's fees and everything is still there, but there are some which are planning to basically finish by Thanksgiving. You know, like not hold any vacation before that, because pretty much it's sure that, you know, come November, December, the second wave is going to, like, you know,
Yeah.
be there in full force. So
I think
If
UT
they
Austin
forgot-
is planning the same thing.
So Worms got DD's picture.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
so
This is in Kerala. Is this in Kerala?
this is in Kerala. This is in Kerala. It's in an island actually. And
Sherry.
so Sherry, this is Roshan. Because was a younger person, Roshan Rohan, I think. Yeah, Roshan. This guy is the person you were telling, you know. And then of course the kids.
Of course, your twins.
Yeah, they have of course grown taller. So this is I think 2.5, 3 years ago.
Okay.
Hmm.
And this is the backwaters, backwater of Kerala. We had gone for a small boat ride.
2017.
That looks lovely.
Yeah, name Roshan or Roshan Rohan. Yeah, Roshan Rohan.
Roshan Rohan.
So I just thought
So,
that
Worms and Shipra, sorry, calling him Worms, but you guys speak Hindi?
only Lucknowi.
No,
Yeah,
Lucknowi?
Yeah, today.
yeah, I heard you write nice poems as well, right?
Yes, I have published a book.
Yeah, that's what
Oh,
I
wow.
heard,
Wow,
Great.
impressive.
that Worms had shared that you had written a book earlier.
You he kuch.
You he kuch, yes.
You he
You-
kuch.
oh, yes.
So is that Urdu influenced Hindi or
I was going to
pure
say,
Hindi?
Deepak, you started speaking good Hindi now?
I had to keep listening to her for the last 20 years. So my Hindi developed.
I can't imagine you speaking Hindi, okay?
No, that's what Devesh told. Devesh, when he came back, he was very surprised that I'm talking in Hindi because he says that in my college I should never talk Hindi. But I was, I don't remember this, you know.
Where are you guys now? Which place
Sorry,
are you now? Where are you staying?
I'm in Hyderabad.
Oh, okay, so Lucknowi Hindi and the Hyderabadi Hindi has gotten mixed now.
I thought you were
Very interesting.
something, no?
Interesting, very different.
क्या बाता करते
Worms, I thought you were in Kochi somewhere, no?
I moved a year ago to Hyderabad.
Okay.
Multiple reasons.
I'll
So
go. I'm in the middle of something in kitchen.
No worries.
So I moved a year ago. I was in Cochin for 2-3 years. Then I moved to Hyderabad, more central.
Yeah, more central. Like
Okay, Worms, you were in Chennai as well, right?
I was in Chennai. I was working in HP in Chennai. Before that, I was in Bangalore. Briefly, I was in Singapore. Came back. So I've had a checkered Pune, Bombay, all those places.
So which part of Hyderabad?
I'm in a place called Nalagandla, which is near to Gachibowli. It's Vani, you know, maybe around 30 minutes from Banjara Hills.
We should ask you only, is it how far from the airport kind of a place?
It's around 1 hour.
So in Hyderabad, anyways, everything is about 1 hour from the airport.
Yeah. It's close.
In the city.
Yeah, commute. Hopefully, it's gotten better. Of course, not with the virus. I am fairly certain people are not out and about as much.
No, I heard
Today,
the moment the relaxation happened, streets are all full. Pollution is back.
yeah. So I can say I was out today. I went to Delhi because we had to take one of our beagles to a vet. And I was surprised that Delhi is like once again back to all the traffic. Gurgaon is.
I heard Pune too.
Gurgaon is
People are back on the roads and traffic jams are back.
Traffic jam, but many people are there on the.
I think it also depends because in Gurgaon, I find that the self-control is very, very high because people themselves don't want to go out. The condominiums, the apartments, they have put all kinds of restrictions. So no one is moving out. But Delhi is like, it's just uncontrollable. But okay, I think another maybe 5-6 months, I don't know how long.
So Rahul, it's only spiking now in Texas, right? I don't know. Austin impacted hai ki nahi?
There is a mild impact. Yeah, it is. They opened
the
up
numbers
the
are still
state
very,
completely.
very small. And numbers are still very little.
Yeah, and it's not necessarily New York. So I think if things go crazy, it would be around Houston. That's kind of really well. It's very packed, right? Not exactly New York again, but it's still packed enough. But a lot of places they just throw caution to the wind. Nobody cares. Really. They've kind of pretty much accepted the fact that it is something which is going to impact us. Obviously, everyone thinks they're invincible until it hits them.
By the way, talking about backyards, Vani, Rahul has a zip line in his backyard.
Hey, what?
Oh.
Those are the useful things in like lockdown now, right? That's why you want like a zip line, and then if you have a swimming pool, even better. So those are then you don't need to do anything. Oh yeah, this is done. You're not allowed to go out, stay in, and do all these fun things. No, I've taken up gardening. I've been spending all my time in the garden now.
So honestly, it's very hard to do the self-containment, if you may, because especially if you have a dog, how do you explain, right? So I am out at least 2 times a day for sure.
No, we are allowed to go, walking. We can go biking. The kids play. You can play alone. So they play basketball alone, or then India they'll just.
Yeah, last week we went for a trek actually. So and there are people we maintain distance and use.
So in fact, it's actually become pretty good. You are like kind of going back to a more relaxed life. All that rush is no longer there. The amount of time saved in just driving kids to activities is like so many hours a day. So I think it's not all bad. I mean, we are all okay. The school part is not fun. The loss of learning is not good. But I think a little.
I mean,
bit
most of where we stay ends up being suburbs, right? I mean, New York City would be a little different.
Yes, yes.
Put up in an apartment. India will be very different, right? Where there are a lot of crowd, lots of crowd. But in our area, it's pretty nice to go for. I go for a walk every day, for an hour or so. And weekends, if we can step out, we do. It's great.
Yeah. The dogs get a lot of walks now because everybody wants to go out for a walk. That was a joke, right? When it began that the dogs are getting tired because each family member wants to take a walk. You're allowed to go out with the dogs.
So just join.
Coming out with all the
wow.
Oh, ये वो बड़ा size का photo हमने किया था ना शायद?
I think we all made a slightly enlarged. I think है कहीं photo.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
This is South India tour, right?
This was in my house.
This was either Vani or Dipti's house.
No, this was in my house. I think it was a birthday party or something. This was not.
This was
South India. Dipti and Vidya had Dipti and Vidya had not come for the South India thing.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Man, I missed that trip. I really missed that trip.
So here everyone is there except Vidya. Is it that or?
Vidya is not there, I think.
Yeah, Vidya is not there in this one, I think.
Vidya and Gande nahi hai.
Yeah, Guns is missing too.
Yeah, Guns is missing.
Guns को actually call कर सकते हैं.
Where is Anya now?
Anya is in Pune only, but I think Samir must be knowing where he stays. Samir, you are on mute.
Anya is in Singapore or something.
No, he came back from Singapore. He was in Singapore for quite a few years. I think then he came back. I met him, but last time I met him was like a couple of years back. But he was in Pune at that time.
So that's the time we had met in that hotel near Ajay's house, I think. Anya and his family and.
Yeah, I met him once, I think, after that, because his son goes to the same school, used to go to the same school where my kids are. So I met him in school once, actually. But that was pretty much it, yeah.
You guys would do some pretty regular trips. What happened to that? Like as family or just doing trekking? I remember some pictures not happening anymore. Obviously not in the current situation, but otherwise.
You guys are going to some forest.
I think our last
Yeah.
one was, our last trip was probably some Buddha place somewhere in December, January.
Ahmedabad वगैरह you had been where we missed.
हाँ हम लोग वैसे ट्रिप्स हुए हमारे, हम अहमदाबाद गए थे, एक ट्रैक पे गए थे उत्तराखंड, देन ऑफ कोर्स वी हैड गॉन टुगेदर, और फिर पास में भी एक दो बार गए थे, बट नॉट we don't meet very frequently, we only meet at those trips.
Abhi I think it so happened ki like Anya's son had his 10th and now Anya and Samir are entering that stage. So
Ajay's son. Yeah.
Ajay. So,
Yeah.
Okay, so cool. I don't think anybody else is joining in. Just wanted a quick approval from all of you. If you noticed on the top side, I'm actually recording this.
Yeah, Abhi, I noticed this now. Yeah.
Okay, I will put it in the group.
Yeah, go for it.
Unless any of you have said something which is confidential.
That would motivate maybe the rest also to join.
Done. I have not recorded the whole thing. I just started half an hour ago.
Yeah, but at least click at least some pictures and post. If people are not watching the entire video, they can at least see the picture maybe.
I just put one picture right now.
Okay. See.
Yeah, I saw that picture.
Super fast, huh? Verbs is super fast.
Coach.
So Theta, besides orchestra, what do you do?
Yeah, it's going on good. Every year, every January, second Saturday, we perform in Pune. For last 7 years, we have been doing it. Not sure what will happen next year. Let's see.
I heard you went and fought with Gun's wife Aditya or Aditi, sorry, saying that कोई तो maths का question paper wrong set किया या answer wrong set किया or something. Was it you or was it to someone else?
You are asking me?
Yeah, Tita. I Guns was telling me once that he was saying that your daughter was in class 12 or something, and you didn't know that Aditi used to teach them.
No. She was not. I mean, Aditi never taught my daughter.
Acha, maybe someone else, because he told me a story. He said that someone went and fought with Aditi, later on realizing that it is Gun's wife kind of a thing.
Oh.
So it must be someone else from COEP.
Oh, Theta is denying it because he's on record, right? Record mode.
But I thought it was your name that he took that time.
No. Off the record also, I will tell the same thing.
Maybe Theta, next time let's have a performance. One demo.
That'll be awesome, man.
I have some YouTube videos. Maybe I will send on.
अरे live नहीं करोगे?
Live ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा.
Why don't you run a live session and we send me a recording, so we'll put it in the group.
Sure. Once you used to sing and you used to send me those recordings. Now you have stopped me.
I'm waiting for you, the inspiration from you.
We can do a Jugalbandi. You can play something and he can sing something.
Chamya, we made last time on Deccan, right? About a year back with other group of COEP.
Yes, Vadeshwar, I think, right?
Vadeshwar, yes.
Yeah.
I wonder what Deccan में Archie's Corner अभी भी है क्या?
Archie's है, but it has reduced its size very lot. It has reduced its size.
Because we spent a lot of time at that corner waiting for everyone to come in.
Yeah, so I saw a picture of Vaishali recently posted with people standing in a long queue with social distancing, right? Goal mark करके. Very cute. Running around the corner.
People are crazy actually about some of the things.
It can't still beat the lines for alcohol. That is mind-boggling.
Optimism. I was told that the last person 6 kilometers away Imagine that he was so optimistic कि उसका turn आएगा. वो line में खड़ा था. He was waiting in the queue, hoping that his turn will come.
Yeah, that is optimism, desperation, like this guy waiting for the sheets, right? We need the blank sheets, Baba. We have submission tomorrow. Yeah, that is crazy. Like how can somebody stay in that line for that long? Anyway,
Here one,
you need.
Sam, you were in the top 4, no? The boating that we used to do, top 4. Boating.
What is top 4?
अरे वो जो four people sit and row
That
together.
answers the question.
Yeah.
It was not Sam. I'm wondering who were there in the top 4 because I remember it was Didi. There was Didi, definitely one of them.
It was Sudarshan Sidhe.
I never learned swimming. Okay, so there's no way I would have.
I also okay. Swimming, but I used to go for the boating.
Right.
It was.
If you would have,
I remember going only a couple of times across. वो गन्ना लेने के लिए, and we went and took the गन्ने का रस from that corner. Remember
if
that?
you would have taken a dip in that water, you would be COVID resistant by now. Like
I was going to say, you
forget
wouldn't
COVID.
drown in that. You would be floating only in that water.
No virus would ever affect you.
Let's say Didi and Sudarshan. There were 5 of us, I think, in that boat. But yeah, those were different times. Completely different times.
Yep.
I never bothered to get in there because I remember somebody in the mech group had gone in there and something happened. They ended up putting their hand, and next day there was like a rash that lasted for a while.
I think I remember this. It was Sachin Bagdandi.
Oh, is it Burgundy?
Yeah. He's the one who went in and came with a rash, and a lot of people were scared after that.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't have. Yeah. After that, I was like, ain't going in there. And I think they would make it a practice that at least people fall in there. But yeah, then maybe one of these days things open up quickly enough, and then I can make a trip there. It'll be good to catch up in person.
That's what we used to do, no? On the regatta day, the last day.
Regatta, yeah.
That's what we used to do. We used to go and push everyone into the water.
Yeah.
That's how I've been in that water a few times on the last day.
You're fine, man. Then you don't have to wear a mask anytime you go out. You'll be fine.
We used to have sandwich uttapam or something, I think, in that canteen.
Yep, uttapa sandwich.
Uttapa sandwich. No, that's what I was telling. Kuch to aisa tha, jo, that was really... we used to stand in a queue for a turn to come so that sandwich uttapam or uttapam sandwich could come on a plate.
Wow.
और बटाटे वड़े का याद है क्या वो फ्रिज से निकाल के देता था गरम करके?
I know. और जो
क्या करता था?
निकाल के देता था.
वो वड़ा जो होता था ना, वड़ा पावा, बचा हुआ वो फ्रिज में रखता था और सुबह गरम करके देता था.
Day special.
Yeah.
तब नहीं बताया यार जब बहुत खाया है वहाँ.
मैंने भी खाया, वो पता था फिर भी खाया.
सबने खाया, मतलब में तो we had.
Hey, I have seen dogs, that was the stray dogs that were there, that would eat from that plate and they would lick it clean, and they would also have the tea from those cups. So come on. Something.
राहुल, ये बताने की जरूरत नहीं थी.
जरूरत नहीं था. He could serve once again. So that was his tactics, not to clean the plates.
तो राहुल, साफ प्लेट में तो खाओगे ना, ऐसे थोड़ी.
That is true. अभी क्या करोगे?
I used to get also that paratha along with roti along with shakkar.
Oh, the roll.
The roll.
Yeah.
वो roll लाता था कुछ तो roll उसके अंदर sugar and something apart from the
Cream.
puran poli.
Oh, okay.
No. This was
No.
roti roll. It was a paratha or a roti roll. See,
Yeah.
we remember what your mother used to make and send to us.
So I don't know if you recollect, there was a short fat man in the canteen. I went 4
Yeah.
years ago.
Raju.
I don't know his name. So me and Jayesh, we had just gone to visit I think 2016, one of my trips. And this guy's still there, you know. And I told him,
Wow.
"How many years are you here?" So he said, he just joined in the 90s, early 90s. And he's there for the last 25 years, 30 years.
Yeah, canteen cashier, right? Yeah, I also saw him.
Yeah, you've seen him, right? Yeah,
Yes, that spec. He has the glasses. Yeah.
Yes.
That is impressive.
There are some people who visit PTC that say the same about Nitin also now. अरे नितिन वो मेरा नेबर है क्या है? I think he's also still with PTC, right? Rajiv Palunka. I don't know if you know him.
At least few years, मतलब थोड़े साल पहले I remember he was there. अभी PTC के बहुत सारे ऑफिस हो गए इधर पुणे में भी, so it's.
अच्छा.
So I don't know. This is not there in my office. Yeah, but he was there. Couple of years back, I had seen him. I mean, I used to get some SPRs for him, so मतलब कुछ bugs report करता था मेरे सॉफ्टवेयर में, वो तो मुझे पता था.
Right. So मैं जब MBA कर रहा था तो summer training के वक्त I stayed with Nitin in IISc, Bangalore. तो वहाँ पे बाइक लेके गया था. तो उसका I think the computer room was quite a bit of distance from his room. तो हम बाइक पे जाते थे कभी. तो एक बार ऐसे गए बाइक पे को जा रहे थे and Nitin went like Sam करके he went like this on the पीछे बाइक पे. क्या हुआ? We just passed a snake. We were about to ride on the snake. So he saw the snake before me. He like went to Sam. I don't know if you recall.
Somehow, I don't know. We are wired that way. But Texas, we tend to see quite a few of them. Not as crazy, but over a period of time, I just gotten over it. The normal reaction अपना ऐसा रहता है कि snake को देखो तो oh my god something scary.
Right,
but here it's just a factor. Like, yeah, there's a snake. All right.
New Jersey में you get only garden snake variety. तो हमारे I mean basement के खिड़की में बैठा था एक बार बाहर की तरफ, not inside. But reaction तो same होता है ना snake को देखो तो.
Yeah.
Tend to get a little spooked.
Yeah.
राजीव के रेंजल्स वाले बंगलो वहाँ पे शायद आते थे.
Yeah, a lot of snakes used to come in our old house in the hills. So we have dealt with a lot of snakes there.
So वहाँ की holy parties were the best.
Yeah,
seriously.
It is the holies.
Dahi vada.
We continued with holies for some time till we were in Bombay. At least तब हम वापस पुणे जाते थे होली पे. Chamya, Nitin, guns used to come. Kids also enjoyed, I thought. Right?
Yeah.
So हम वगैरह हो गए थे तभी.
So after we stopped playing at your house, Rajiv, I don't think I've ever played Holi. Probably that's the only time I played Holi.
So we also stopped. Unfortunately, we also stopped.
और यहाँ पे खूब खेलते हैं भाई हम.
Oh, अच्छा.
We look for. We never play on the day of Holi, of course, but there are these weekends where a lot of restaurants organize these, right? Holi parties, and we wait for some great weather if you find good weather, because typically around that time weather is fluctuating in the northeast. So बहुत खेलते हैं.
I mean, people play here also, but we have just stopped. I don't think so that anyone plays Holi any longer here at home now. But yeah, in Pune,
My wife's from Delhi, right? I mean, Holi is like
a big thing
for her. So
yeah, same here. I've been playing Holi because of the Lucknowi touch.
Yeah.
Vidya? I don't know if she's still there or it's a frozen video of Vidya.
It shows.
It shows, but it looks like that her video has got frozen maybe.
Yeah.
Rahul, your parents are in Pune?
Actually, they are here in Texas right now. So with the whole COVID situation, they're stuck. Um, it's luck. It's interesting how things unfolded. So they came here in June of last year. But the
Oh.
funny thing is, they were with my sister for a while. Then they came here. They fell down, He broke his hip. Had to go through a replacement surgery. And then the recovery continued for a while. And then this whole COVID and the whole lockdown happened. So,
But otherwise, moving around now after the hip surgery.
yeah. With a walker. So we'll see what the future holds. We don't know.
So what are they doing about visas? I mean, they just extend.
Correct. And then we also have the option of applying. So I'm going to apply for the green card and see which way it goes.
But अभी तो बंद कर दिया ना 45 ने.
45 का क्या बोलना यार.
No, so he's stopped the parent application.
So I put in the papers. I haven't heard anything back. This was before he stopped it.
Okay.
Stopped in the sense not stopped, right? It's only suspended for now.
Well, till he's in office, yeah.
Yeah. That was actually one of the reasons. Yeah, there was rumblings of that going to happen. So I kind of was expecting that to be one of the things he's going to do anyways.
Okay, good. Okay.
He's a character. The joke would be if he wins back.
You're expecting to see him back in December, or there will be some.
Then we will have like a misery party that time. Abhi. Let us not even like imagine the scenario. Okay, at least 3 minutes to let us live in hope.
Yeah, but there's a decent chance, man.
I know. I'm saying that's just being ignorant, but we will check. We will check the soul of the country at that time. Abhi chal jane do.
Just to remind all of you that this is being recorded.
But recording is not going to reach him, no?
We'll get a reaction from him on Twitter.
Who knows?
It will be quite late there.
You know, as a joke, long back, 10 years ago, 10, 12 years ago, when I was working, I don't know, Airtel or something. Somebody had sent a mail. The heading of the mail was, "For your eyes only." You know, it was a confidential mail, "For your eyes only." That mail went to at least some 500, 800 people, "For your eyes only." He was so upset. He said, "I just sent it to one person, for your eyes only." It kind of, everybody sent very confidential, "For your eyes, for your eyes, for your eyes, for your eyes." Like that it went to.
What do you do?
Yes,
say, Vishal's gone to college now. Is going to college now, right?
Not yet. Next year. So he's in final year.
Okay.
So that's all the more interesting. We'll see how that one unfolds.
A lot of us have like, so mine is also now senior, your kid is senior, and I think Nitin, no, somebody else is, so today your son is, or your daughter is already in college. Who else is already in college?
I think Pita's daughter who's in college. Jyoti's daughter, both the sons and my daughter, they just completed 12th.
Okay.
Jyoti is in Pune now?
Back in Pune.
Back in Pune, right?
Oh, Jyoti is back in Pune? Oh,
yeah, back in Pune. Not now, 2 years back or 3 years back.
Yeah, that's what I remember seeing somewhere.
Yeah, because she shifted when her daughter was in class 9. And before going to class 10, she decided to go back to Pune.
No, she's in Bathinda, I guess.
From Bathinda, she moved to Delhi. She was here in Delhi for a couple of years. And then from here, she moved back to Pune 3 years back.
Wow.
Why do you feel that she was near Ahmedabad?
I think she was in Jamnagar when we were going to that Gujarat.
That was with Reliance. She was with Reliance, I think, at that time.
Her husband,
that's right, Reliance, Jamnagar.
Hold it. Even a year ago, she was in Jamnagar, because when I went to Ahmedabad, She was telling me to come there to Jamnagar.
I don't think she is in Pune.
No. In 2019 January, I went to Ahmedabad. I remember specifically she told.
Yeah, you are right. Sorry, you are right. She went to Pune for only 1 year, and then she shifted to Jamnagar. Sorry, you are right.
Yeah.
Jamnagar.
And she tried to tell me take a bus, take a taxi, 5 hours, but I couldn't make it actually. So that I remember this Jamnagar thing.
I know her husband moved into Jamnagar. So she also moved there into Jamnagar, I think, 2 years back. You're right. She was there in Pune for some time, then moved to Jamnagar. So it's a full circle for her because she was in Patal Ganga, right?
Patal Ganga, yeah.
Patal
Yeah.
Ganga. From there to Jamnagar, from Jamnagar to wherever, I mean, maybe Batinda, maybe. And now
You got to give the states. I don't know where exactly these places are.
Batinda is right north of India.
Batinda is Punjab, right?
Punjab.
Because he continues to work in refineries. So that's the reason why they have to keep moving to one or the other refinery location.
Peter, that's pretty late to have a dinner, okay? I was hoping that all of you would have finished your dinner by then.
That's a snack after dinner.
I'm just trying to
Actually, we do that, So every weekend we've been having, with our development gang, we've been having these Zoom get-togethers, music and stuff like that. So last night it was till 3 a.m.
3 a.m.
Odd.
Usually goes till 2 to 3 a.m. every weekend, every Friday night. So, by the time you hit like 1 a.m. or so, you're hungry again. Right? So everyone goes for a snack around that time.
No, but we should have done this earlier, but I mean,
I know. Good
No,
idea.
you can do it a little earlier, okay? You don't have to do it 8:30. We can move it up an hour or so.
No, I'm saying earlier in the sense, because this lockdown, we have seen so many Zoom parties now over the last 10 weeks or so.
Yeah.
All cutting all across. So, and some of them have been pretty regular.
Yeah.
So we should do that.
We should. So Worms next.
No, this time is good actually. It works for
Yeah,
most.
I think so. I
For
think so.
Australia.
In India, we are good with this time. There is no issue with this time.
No, there's an issue. Kedar is in Japan. And
Kedar is in Japan.
he's in Japan. So I think he's 3 hours ahead. So maybe we'll do it 1 hour early, as Vani mentioned. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, or maybe next time we'll do our morning so that Sachin and Kedar can then join, right?
Okay, we'll just ask them what
Yeah.
time suits them.
And if they can make it, I mean, of course.
Good one. Otherwise, we create the call and they don't come,
Yeah, it's the middle of the night right now. I checked the time about half an hour back. It was like 2:30 a.m. So must be like 3:15.
So Ajay, were you able to reach Nitin? अच्छा में?
नहीं
अभी खैर लेट हो गया.
क्या लेट हो गया? It's a Saturday यार. कल आराम से उठेगा.
This is the book, I've written.
Yes, I saw that actually.
Joyful edition.
It was also amongst the bestsellers on Amazon, right? That's what I remember.
Yeah, it's in the category positivity self-help.
So you've written a book. Your wife's written a book.
Yeah.
Poetry book. Yeah, correct.
Awesome.
So Deepak, is there like an audio version of it also if you're lazy to read?
Audible, actually, I need to do it. Audible. I know from Amazon you can move to Audible. I've not done it as yet.
And I think Deepak, your son actually takes courses as well, right?
Python. So
Python, yeah.
Ajay's son joined last week.
Yes.
Ajay Gandhi.
I've been trying to convince my son. But he's just not willing
today in the car. I said, you have to join. And you won't believe I was talking to him about this, and that's the time when Deepak gave a call. So I said that, see, I was telling you, and then uncle has also given a call right now. You have to join now.
We just met him, Chamya, a little while back. He had come on camera with Deepak as well.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Keshav.
Keshav, yeah.
I don't have any hopes of my son.
Class 9 now? हाँ चम्या सोहम किसमें क्लास सोहम अभी क्लास 9 में होगा ना क्लास 8 क्लास 9
तो हम अभी 10th में गया
अच्छा 10th में गया ओके गुड इंटरेस्टिंग kids are also growing fast huh
Yeah, time has flown too fast.
yeah no but as Vani said let's try and see we should try and do a get together wherever we can do I don't know which place and when now especially after COVID
yeah that's it's the unknown right now
yeah but ठीक है we'll figure out sometime good guys should we
Yeah, I think Rajiv, we should summarize and then we can close.
summarize
As the leader of the group, Mechomaniac.
Rajiv ka summary will be if people remember हमने जो बोला वो बोला जब जिसने जो कहा उस वक्त उसने वो कहा
30 seconds.
ये तो
याद है that all was right
ये तो पोएट्री बुक में जाएगा
but let's connect on 20th now let's connect on next Saturday and let's try and see that if we can motivate maybe one or two more to do it also
Deepak maybe
our motivational guru has that task now
yeah and Theta we do want a tabla at that time man or dholak
yeah
yes
We'll put tabla by Theta
and one song by Deepak.
What will you do, Rajiv?
Listen.
Listen.
You need audience. Don't you need audience to clap?
Good, yeah.
Good, yeah.
Good talking to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Good guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye.
Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Bye.
Next Saturday.
Bye.
Have a good weekend.
Take care.
Talk to you next week.
All right, guys.